Hi, Miss Frizzle here. Come along on my magic school bus. This is my costume. This is Michelle from Straw-Bearie Designs, and this is my Miss Frizzle costume, including dinosaur earrings, Liz, a dress, and I'm gonna show you how I put all of this outfit together as my costume for Miss Frizzle and how you can do it too. For the dress, I bought this dress off of Amazon. It's a cow design. They have a lot of different designs. This one has dinosaurs. I actually bought one of these, a space one, over a year ago, and it was like super short, super short, way too sexy for Miss Frizzle. And so I sent it back and returned it. And I really wanted one, and I started reading the reviews, and some of the reviews showed pictures of this dresses being like knee length and past the knee. And I was very confused. So I guess it's different patterns are different lengths. So I got this one, and it would have been long enough. It comes just above my knees, but I wanted to be just a little bit more conservative. So I added a black petticoat underneath it. I also added this black piece of elastic around the waistband just to give it a little bit more definition. And I added this lizard stuffed animal. It actually belongs to my friend, Cassie Soltemeyer. And I just safety pinned Liz to my shoulder. And I made these dinosaur earrings, and I'm gonna show you how. To make my dinosaur earrings, I'm going to take some thin wire. I'm gonna cut off a small piece. And then I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna wrap it around my dinosaur's neck. Now, the wire's thin enough that you're really not gonna notice it. Then I'm gonna kind of keep twisting as I go up. Okay. And then I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna stick it through an earring back. And I'm gonna cut off my excess. And I'm gonna twist this back down towards his neck. And there you go, one dinosaur earring. So I will go ahead and do the same with my other dinosaur. I wrap it around his neck and twist up. These are just little plastic dinosaurs that you can pick up at a dollar store or Walmart or someplace. I used to use them when I was teaching math, and they were my counting dinosaurs. Stick it through the earring wire. Get it to about the same height. And then twist down, cut off my excess. You do want to make sure that that point is squished in there good so that you don't end up cutting anything on that sharp edge. Just kind of squish that in a little bit more into the wire. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please like it and subscribe. And in the comments, tell me what type of Miss Frizzle dress you would want. Would you go for space? Would you go for numbers? Would you go for dinosaurs? Which one would be your favorite?